Hello, everyone, and welcome to Epic Yarn Gems. Today are the Gems' birthday. They are 6 years old today. Because they are 6 years old, they want to celebrate with all of our subscribers. Here's Emerald. He's looking cute as can be. And next up, we'll see Diamond, and he was sitting patiently on the floor for his birthday cake that his mom made him, which they didn't really like, but that's okay. And here is a picture of their little cake that they did have. This was made with natural peanut butter and ground up rice as a flour and a little bit of milk. So, like I said, they are 6 years old today. So, we are celebrating with a giveaway. And I will be giving away 6 skeins of yarn. They are from the Charisma collection. They are both bulky fives. You can see them here. The reddish pattern is actually called brown sugar, and the gray is called charcoal. So that is what we will be giving away as their birthday giveaway. The normal rules will apply. You must be 18 years or older. You must leave a comment so that I'm able to use a random comment selector to pick the winner. You must comply with all of the YouTube guidelines. I am not sponsored by any yarn company. This is all yarn that I purchased myself. Um, Unfortunately, this giveaway is only going to be open to U.S. residents only. Sorry, international friends. The shipping has just gotten absolutely crazy for international shipping. But if you check out my other giveaway that's going on, that one is open worldwide. This giveaway will be open until next Sunday, April 25th, at which time I will pick a winner, and that winner will have 14 days to get in contact with me, and I'll be able to ship off your winnings from there. So again, thank you everybody for being a subscriber. We truly appreciate it. Happy birthday to the Gems for sharing a present with you all. And as always, peace, love, and happiness. Take care and stay safe.